Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to talk about how I would personally spend my $1,400 stimulus check in three different ways. I'm going to present three different situations. So first of all, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you guys to go out and do anything, but I'm just giving my personal opinion on this. So there is one situation, and that is if I don't want to do any work, I don't want to do any research or put any work in or time. I just want to set it and forget it, just do something, leave it there for like 5 to 10 years, and then just come back and check on my profits. If that's the case, I would invest in something like SPY, SPY. If you look at the 5 year chart on this, as you can see, it's just been consistently going up and up. And if your timeline is like 10 plus years, SPY is a pretty safe bet. So this is something that I would invest in if I was just doing a very long-term play and just wanted to set it and forget it. If you're more of a dividend investor, I would go with SPHD. This is the high dividend, low volatility ETF. If we look at the 5 year chart on this, as you can see, there's a huge dip because of the COVID-19 crash last year in 2020, and then it's been recovering since then. But this is more for dividends rather than just straight up growth, because as you can see, where is it? Yeah, the dividend yield 4.83%. So that could be a long-term strategy in and of itself. You buy some SPY and you buy some SPHD, and then that's it. Just leave it there in your portfolio forever. So that's scenario one, right? Now, if we're doing scenario two, which is I don't want to just set it and forget it, I want to actually actively trade and do research and things like that. I mean, I would do exactly what I'm doing right now. I would invest in mostly SPACs. So SPACs that are pretty low price right now, GSAH, IPOF, mainly those two. And a third one would probably be PSTH. So this one, PSTH, it's at 2580 right now. GSAH, this is at 1124. And IPOF, this is at 1141. Generally, SPACs have a floor. Like IPOF pretty much has a floor of 10. Same thing with GSAH. PSTH, that has a floor of I think 20. But yeah, in this type of environment right now, I think SPACs would be my go-to if I was looking at like actively trading rather than just investing in something and leaving it there for a very long time. And then hope that they find a good company to do a deal with, and then the stock shoots up sometime, maybe in the next year or so. I don't know. And then there's a one final scenario, and that is if I didn't want to be responsible at all and I just wanted to straight up gamble my money and make a super high risk play. This is what I would do. I would take something like, I don't know, Amazon, some high growth company, right? Right now, Amazon is at 3,000, and there's plenty of articles out there that make an argument for how Amazon could be a $5,000 stock in the next couple of years. So I would actually make a bet that by 2023, so I would pick an expiration date of January 20th, 2023, and I would do a call debit spread at 4,000. So right now Amazon is at 3,000, right? So I'm basically going to make a bet that by January 20th, 2023, that it's going to be above 4,000 for max profit. And let's see if we do the math here. Let me put up my calculator. So let's see. So 50, in this case, $4,000 minus 39.50. That's $50. Total costs 1163, so I would divide it by 1163 times 100. So that would be 429.92% gain if this actually works out. So yeah, I would do something like this if I wanted to do something super risky. Just do a call debit spread at a strike price that's a little bit higher or significantly higher than where it is right now. Same thing with something like Alibaba. There's a lot of people who argue that this is should be at least 300 share. So again, January 20th, 2023, go up to 300. Right now, Alibaba is at 240. But yeah, let's say we're doing a call debit spread at 300. Again, bring up the calculator. 300 minus 295. Divide by 168, which is the cost. Minus 100. So that'll be a 297.61% gain. Basically almost a 300% return if Alibaba is above $300 by January 20th, 2023. So yeah, I would do something like that. Just make a call debit spread at a price, a strike price that's higher than where the stock is trading right now on like a high growth stock. So yeah, those are the 3 different scenarios. And the one that I'm doing with my personal money right now is I'm investing in SPACs. But maybe I will make some sort of lottery play if I feel like it, but right now it's mostly just SPACs. So yeah. All right. That's it for my video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.